Ahoy, maritime enthusiasts! Today, we're setting sail on the high seas to explore the epitome of luxury, the world's most opulent yachts. From sleek design to extravagant amenities, these vessels redefine the meaning of high-end seafaring. Before we embark on this nautical journey, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our maritime adventures. Now, let's unfurl the sails and dive into the details of the top 10 most luxurious yachts in the world. Number 1. Azam. Length, 180.6 meters, 590 feet. Notable features: Azam, owned by an undisclosed owner, claims the title of the world's largest private yacht. This mega yacht boasts stunning, timeless interiors crafted by renowned designer Christophe Leoni, offering a perfect blend of opulence and sophistication. With a top speed of over 30 knots, Azam combines size with speed, making it an unmatched masterpiece of the seas. Number 2. Eclipse. Length, 162.5 meters, 533 feet. Notable features: Eclipse, owned by Roman Abramovich, is not just a yacht, it's a floating palace on the water. Lavish features include a dedicated owner's deck, 2 helicopter pads, a disco hall, and even an anti-paparazzi shield that uses lasers to block camera lenses. Number 3. Dubai. Length, 162 meters, 531 feet. Notable features: originally commissioned for Prince Jeffrey Bolkiah of Brunei, Dubai showcases exquisite craftsmanship and opulent interiors. The yacht's design includes a mosaic swimming pool, a circular staircase with glass steps, and accommodations for up to 24 guests. Number 4. Topaz. Length, 147.25 meters, 483 feet. Notable features: owned by Sheikh Mansour bin Zayed Al Nahyan, Topaz is a visual spectacle on the water. With a helipad, cinema, jacuzzi, and vast deck space, it offers a luxurious retreat for its passengers. Number 5. Rising Sun. Length, 138 meters, 454 feet. Notable features: co-owned by David Geffen and Larry Ellison, Rising Sun boasts impressive recreational features, including a basketball court, wine cellar, and a movie theater. Its elegant design and extensive amenities make it a standout in the world of luxury yachting. Number 6. Alced. Length, 155 meters, 508 feet. Notable features: commissioned for Sultan Qaboos of Oman, Alced is renowned for its regal design and grandeur. The yacht features a concert hall capable of accommodating a 50-piece orchestra, showcasing the owner's passion for music and entertainment. Number 7. Vilbar. Length, 156 meters, 511 feet. Notable features: owned by Alisher Usmanov, Vilbar stands out with its helipad, indoor pool, and spacious accommodations. The yacht's design prioritizes comfort and luxury, offering an unmatched experience on the open sea. Number 8. Serene. Length, 134 meters, 439 feet. Notable features: Serene is a floating paradise equipped with multiple swimming pools, hot tubs, a climbing wall, and even a submarine. Its versatility and range of amenities cater to the diverse preferences of its passengers. Number 9. Lady Mora. Length, 105 meters, 344 feet. Notable features: owned by Nasser Al Rashid, Lady Mora introduces a touch of uniqueness with a sand-covered platform that extends over the sea. This private beach setup complements the yacht's other features, including a helipad and a retractable roof over the pool. Number 10. Radiant. Length, 110 meters, 361 feet. Notable features: Radiant is an elegant vessel with a refined interior, a helipad, and multiple outdoor spaces for entertainment. Owned by Abdullah Al Futtaim, it combines sophistication with functionality, offering a premium seafaring experience. And there you have it, a detailed exploration of the top 10 most luxurious yachts in the world. If you've enjoyed sailing through the details of these maritime marvels, give us a thumbs up and let us know in the comments which yacht captured your imagination. Stay tuned to Velocity Supreme for more high seas adventures and tales of opulence. Until next time, fair winds and following seas.